Alright, basically this whole video is us laughing and stuff, and yeah, me and my friends are just laughing, and it's basically it's kind of pointless. It's not really a video that's important, but hey, it's a little something funny to have. And I can tell you that's one of the top 10 of the best things that have happened in my life that are so damn funny. But yeah, it's...
You're all like, you're not laughing so hard. You're not laughing so hard. Shut up!
It's because you can't stop me from laughing. It's
Shut up!
I can't breathe. Oh fuck. Dear Lord, save me. Oh my god. Oh fuck Naz, you fuck. Oh!
Ryan.
Fuck.
No.
Bitch. I'm sorry. Oh! Got your nipper.
Yeah,
I'm
Ryan.
literally.
No.
I can't breathe. I'm gonna fucking piss myself. Oh, I'm fucking crying. He's like secretly clapping him. He's secretly clapping his own cheeks. Oh, fuck.
My tongue.
You stuck your tongue up your cheek. Oh, fuck. Oh, that was great.